Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful concept, that is how you can embroider your neck warmer, your mufflers, your stroller, your mini shawls, or your dupatta. So these beautiful creativity neck warmer, mini shawl, stroller, scarf patterns are for everyone, ranging from children to moving towards teenagers to moving towards the elderly and mid-aged persons. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, beautiful, and trendy ideas of neck warmer. So guys, in my every video, I have been trying my best to share creative, beautiful, and amazing ideas of hand embroidery with you. So this video is in the continuation of my previous video, into which I have shared very beautiful designs of neck warmer and mini shawl embroidery, which you have liked and gave a best response and requested me to share more creative ideas. Guys, the basic purpose and intent of making videos is to share creativity and ideas. We never reclaim someone else's work as our own, and we have no intention of claiming or copying someone else's work. The basic purpose and idea behind making the videos is to share designs and creativity. If you really like the design ideas, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content as you always have been, because subscribers are very important. If you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from a number of other devices as well in order to increase our YouTube friends and family members in the form of number of subscribers. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more new, upcoming, creative and beautiful ideas of hand embroidery. Up till then, take care. And in the comment section, don't forget to recommend that which design you like the most and what you want us to share with you in our upcoming and new videos. Up till then, take care.